Hey guys, welcome back to the Luvele kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Vibe blender to make 3 really easy dips that are full of flavor and no nasties involved, so you can ditch the store-bought and make your own. These dips are perfect for any time of day, especially if you're entertaining guests. They're super fresh and take no time to make. Today we're going to make a punchy basil pesto dip, a beetroot hummus, and a simple guacamole. Don't forget to give this video a like and hit subscribe if you're interested in more recipe content like this or other ways to use your Luvele machines. So let's start with our basil pesto dip. So into the blender jug, we'll go in with 2 big bunches of fresh basil, half a cup of toasted pine nuts, and we'll just save some extra to garnish later, half a cup of grated parmesan, 2 garlic cloves, the juice of 1 lemon. We'll season with a little bit of salt, and while the machine's running, we'll pour in about half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. So we can put the lid back on now, and we're going to set the blender to medium speed on smoothie mode. You might need to use the tamp and give it a scrape down with a spatula halfway through just to make sure everything's blended up evenly. Once you've got a good consistency and you're happy with the flavor, pour it into a bowl, and we're going to finish it off with those extra toasted pine nuts, some freshly sliced red chili, and a little bit of extra olive oil. Now we can move on to our beetroot hummus. For this one, you'll need 1 large cooked beetroot or 2 small ones. You can cook or roast them up yourself, or you can find them already cooked and peeled at your supermarket. I've also got 200 grams of cooked chickpeas, 100 grams of tahini. We've got 1 garlic clove, the juice of 1 lemon. We'll use about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and to finish, we've just got half a cup of Greek yogurt. So into the blender jug, you can put everything in except the olive oil and the yogurt. Put the lid on, and we'll blend this up the same way that we did the basil pesto, on smoothie mode and medium speed. So after about 30 seconds, and after you've added your olive oil, have a look at the texture, give it a taste and see if you're happy with it. Sometimes I like to add a little bit of cold water right at the end just to get it really nice and smooth. I'm happy with this one now, so I'm going to put it straight into my serving dish. We'll finish it off with that Greek yogurt and again a little bit more of that olive oil. 2 down and 1 to go. Last but not least is our super simple but really fresh guacamole. For this one, we've got 3 ripe avocados, 1 lime, half a bunch of fresh coriander, or a good handful at least. To finish off, we've got about 1 tablespoon of toasted cumin seeds. So we'll start by deseeding and scooping the flesh out of our avocados. We can then add them straight into the blender jug with our coriander, lime, and a little bit of salt. So you can put the lid back on now. We're going to blend it up again as before, smoothie mode and medium speed. Make sure you use the tamp for this one so you can push the avocado right down into the blades. It should take no time at all. Once it's nice and smooth, give it a taste and make sure you're happy with the flavor. You might want to add some more lime, some more coriander, or just some more salt. Make sure that you're happy with it before you serve it. So there you have it. Don't show up to your next gathering empty-handed. Have a go at one of these dips yourself. So much better than store-bought. You know exactly what's gone into them. We've only used fresh, whole ingredients, and they're full of flavor. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you again next week for another awesome Luvele recipe.